Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial, and today we will learn the smoky eye but with sharp edges. First we need to apply the taping, and we need to take in the Forever 52 gel liner with shade number GT001. With the help of liner brush we will create a wing liner. Then with the help of smudge brush we will smudge it. As you can see, with the help of dark brown eyeshadow we are smudging it. And little amount of brown eyeshadow. Smudging to the outer edges. Giving some sharpness. Blending the inner corners. Now removing the taping. See the sharpness of the sharp smoky eye. And here is the final look after lashes. You can see how beautifully it turns out. So bye bye, take care, we'll meet in next tutorial. Thank you.